Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I decided to pick up another screen protector for your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I decided to pick up a different screen protector for your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. I went with one of my favorite screen protectors that I use for any device, and that is the GlassTR EZ FIT from Spigen. You can pick up this screen protector from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. The last screen protector, I had to re-register my fingerprints to get it to work right, and I know some other folks online were having problems with it, so hopefully this one works a little bit better for everyone, and we'll see how it works out for me. But I'm gonna try to install this on camera and do it as quick as possible. So before we even get started, let's turn off the Pixel. So turn off your phone. So here's the packaging from them. You get two of them, so if for whatever reason you mess up one, you have two. But hopefully you don't mess up one because it's pretty easy to install. And it gives you instructions on how to improve your fingerprint scanner. And it says register the same fingerprint twice. So you get the screen protectors here. You get the little squeegee. And then in here you get your cleaning cloth, your microfiber cloths, dust remover stickers, and that's about it. So again, what you want to do, clean off your phone. Again, if you can do this at nighttime, if you can do it when it is less dusty, please go ahead and do it. All right, so take your cloth, wipe down your beautiful phone, getting the oils off of there. Someone said in the video the other week, said, how you know I have oils? I mean, everybody usually has oils on their hands. So just make sure you clean your phone off good. And the reason why I said do it at nighttime, you can do it where that way you just let it sit on there, let it really just marinate on the glass. You don't have to worry about putting a case on there yet. And when you wake up, any bubbles you might have will be gone too. And then you just want to, this is the biggest dust removal tool I ever saw in my life. Alrighty. So here's the tool. And it tells you even to register your fingerprint. So what you want to do is, and then on here too it says top, so you know it goes like this. But what you want to do is take this off first. Again, don't flip it. And then what you do is you just press this and hold it. You want to get it all the way on there. I see a bubble there too. Then what you do is remove this. And then look, re-register after installing the screen protector. You must re-register your fingerprint. So I'm gonna see if I have to re-register it or will it work because I already re-registered it again. But pretty much got all the bubbles out except for this top part right here. And it fits really good. I mean, all the way around. Man, that's a good installation. That's why I love these. They make it so easy. It's simple. And then you can save this for the next time. All right, so here's the test. Will it work? All right, we're gonna turn it off. Oh, my face unlocked that one. So my fingerprint, because I re-registered, I mean, works beautiful. I mean, that's why I wanted to get this screen protector, because it just works when you press the button, right? I'm trying to do this and keep it on camera, so screen is super bright. So if I lock the phone, right, it's locked. So the fingerprint works good. You can tell it goes all the way around. All the way around there. So this is a good screen protector. If it works for you the first time like it's doing for me, great. If not, re-register. Listen to them. But I'm going to go ahead and say that this one is probably the better option. You definitely want to pick this up. I will have the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Also, make sure you're following me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.